With me?
Yes.
Thank you very much. I am Akuma in Mavengina. I'm the member for Parliament for older persons in northern Uganda. So I have come round to consult my people, and rightly so, as a member of Parliament, it is my duty to periodically come round, interact with them, listen to them. They could be having some problems which needs to be raised to government through their representative. And so as a representative, I must come and listen to them and take all their concern. There are some which I can also resolve as their representative, and there are those which I can take to Parliament. There are those which I can share with NGOs. There are those which I need to take to our Ministry of Gender, Labour and Social Services. So that is the purpose of my coming, because we have been meeting at different intervals. But today I wanted the whole Lango sub-region to come together so that we sit as a family and interact and share in our joy, our grievances, our problems, and all that we have. And I want to say how happy I am that I have been very, very warmly welcomed by our chairman here, Mr. Billy Opeo, and all the members who came from all the different parts of Lango sub-region. And another joy I have is that they said I am now their candidate forever and ever, no change and no cause. You saw that mother who was kneeling down in a yellow dress and saying, on behalf of all the others. And when she talks on behalf of all the others, it means they have interacted among themselves. And so that is what she was telling me. And even now, as I was coming out, my people were expressing their joy and appreciation for my coming to meet them. So I want to thank God who gave us the opportunity and also gave us something small to share with them, because sharing is a sign of love. When I have something small, I have to share with them, because they were the ones who elected me. I'm responsible for them, and they are responsible for me. We are each other's strength. Thank you.
So what are the pertinent issues got from this meeting?
The pertinent issue, the most important one is the sage money. First of all, the sage money is little, 25,000 per month, and that one we can advocate for it to be increased. But the challenging part of it also is the age, because now the age for sage is 80 years. You know, for us in the north here, and we rarely reach 80 years. When you reach the age of 80, you will now be sitting down, you can't walk, you can't move. So even going for that sage money is not easy. And so sometimes you hire a border, the border takes all of it, because it is 25,000. You send your child, the child gets the money and captures all of it and misuses it. So there are some challenges with the sage money which we need to address. Another challenge which they raise is the 5% grants which comes to the district, which the older persons are not benefiting from. So that one also I need to follow up with the Ministry of Local Government through our Ministry of Labour, Gender and Social Services. And the other concern is to meet His Excellency the President, so that they can, first of all, say thank you to him for giving us the opportunity as members of Parliament, as older persons to be in Parliament, and also to show our solidarity and support for him and to lobby for more, because he is our father. He is the one who can listen to our problems, and I'm sure he always has listening ears. He can always resolve our problems.
I heard you talk about sending 2 members of Parliament to per region to represent.
What I was saying, first of all, we are grateful that the President has agreed, and we have one woman per sub-region, and actually not one woman. In the whole country, we have one representative for Northern Region, one for Central Region, one for Eastern, one for Western. Then there is a female national female older person representative. So what I was saying, we could lobby the President so that he can increase it for us, so that we can have maybe 2 per sub-region. Like, for example, if we were two for northern region, preferably a male and a female, or even both female or both male, so that the work becomes easier because we have 4 sub-regions. We have Karamoja, we have Lango, we have Acholi, we have West Nile. If we were two, consultation becomes easier. The same with the central. Central also have a number of districts. The same, the west, the east. So if we can lobby and they give for us one more, so that would be great. The more you are, the better. Then the load becomes lighter.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.